Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cram for finals. First, you need to quickly identify the most important topics and prioritize them. Don't try to learn everything. Focus on what's most likely to be on the exam. Next, gather all your study materials, including notes, textbooks, and any past assignments. Finally, create a realistic study schedule. Even with limited time, a plan helps you allocate your hours effectively and reduces stress. Once you have your materials, it's time to study smart. Employ active recall by quizzing yourself on key concepts without looking at your notes. This strengthens memory retrieval. Try summarizing information in your own words. This helps you process and internalize the material better than just rereading. Remember to focus on understanding the core concepts rather than just memorizing isolated facts. This approach will serve you better on the exam. Cramming can be intense, so it's crucial to take care of yourself. Incorporate short, frequent breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Make sure to stay well hydrated and fuel your brain with nutritious snacks, avoiding sugary drinks or heavy meals that can make you sluggish. Most importantly, aim for at least 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before your exam. Rest is vital for memory consolidation. On exam day, a quick review of your most challenging points can be helpful, but avoid last-minute panic studying. When you receive your exam, take a moment to read all instructions thoroughly and plan your time effectively across all sections. Answer the questions you know first to build confidence. And hey, while you're thinking about improving your future, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Good luck with your exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.